The tech world is buzzing with anticipation, and today we are diving headfirst into the ultimate revelation of the year, the Apple Watch Ultra 4. For months, rumors, leaked patents, and supply chain whispers have hinted at a device that doesn't just iterate on its predecessors, but completely redefines what a wearable computer can do. If you thought the previous generations were the pinnacle of rugged luxury and extreme performance, prepare to have your expectations shattered. This is not just a minor hardware refresh. It is a monumental leap forward in design, materials, and internal intelligence. We are talking about a device engineered to survive the harshest environments on Earth while simultaneously serving as an indispensable tool for everyday productivity, elite fitness tracking, and advanced personal health diagnostics. Apple has spent the last 2 years quietly shifting the paradigms of its silicon and display technologies, and the Ultra 4 is the glorious culmination of those secret efforts. From the moment you lay eyes on the radically redesigned packaging to the second you strap the precision-crafted chassis onto your wrist, you realize you are holding the future. The sheer weight of anticipation surrounding this release has reached a fever pitch, with enthusiasts and professionals alike eager to see if Apple can truly deliver on its boldest promises. We're going to unpack every single detail, from the micro-level engineering of the new case to the macro-level impact of its revolutionary software ecosystem. This is the definitive breakdown of a device that is set to dominate the wearable market for years to come. As we peel back the outer layers of speculation and look closely at the physical manifestation of Apple's latest engineering marvel, the story of the Ultra 4 truly begins to unfold. The packaging itself feels heavier, more deliberate, and carefully optimized to signal that something truly extraordinary lies within. Sliding the inner sleeve open reveals a beautifully textured, embossed chronicle of the watch's origin, showcasing topographic maps and schematic art that hints at the rugged soul of this device. Nestled perfectly in its protective recess sits the watch itself, a breathtaking fusion of raw power and elegant sophistication. The immediate sensation when lifting it out is one of absolute premium quality, a solid and intentional piece of hardware that demands respect. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The finish on the new chassis is completely mesmerizing, catching the light in a way that highlights its sharper, more aerodynamic contours while maintaining that iconic, indestructible presence. Alongside the watch, the braided charging cable lies neatly coiled, featuring a reinforced magnetic puck that feels more secure than ever before. Every element of this unboxing experience has been meticulously calibrated to build suspense, letting you savor the realization that the boundaries of wearable technology have just been pushed past the point of no return. The first major revelation becomes strikingly apparent the moment the display springs to life, illuminating the room with an unprecedented level of clarity and vivid color. For years, the tech community has dreamed of a display that could effortlessly fight off the blinding glare of the direct desert sun, while remaining perfectly dim and non-disruptive in the dead of night. Apple has answered that call by introducing a groundbreaking micro-LED display matrix that completely replaces the older OLED architecture. This shift is a massive technological achievement, allowing each individual pixel to emit its own incredibly bright light without risking the long-term degradation or burn-in associated with older screens. The peak brightness has been pushed to an astonishing 4,000 nits, making text and high-contrast topographic maps look as sharp and legible as high-quality printed paper, even in the middle of a sun-bleached salt flat. But the true magic lies in its efficiency. Despite the massive jump in luminance, this display sips power with incredible restraint, fluctuating its refresh rate dynamically down to a single hertz when static. The bezels have been shaved down to near invisibility, maximizing the viewable area without increasing the overall footprint of the watch on your wrist. Looking into this screen feels less like looking at a digital display and more like looking through a crystal-clear window into a hyperdense stream of data, where every complication, text thread, and health metric is rendered with absolute, razor-sharp precision. Beneath this stunning visual interface lies the true beating heart of the machine, the all-new S12 system-in-package, which introduces an architecture built on a cutting-edge 2-nanometer fabrication process. To understand the sheer scale of this upgrade, one must look at how fluidly the interface responds to even the most subtle gestures and commands. There is a total absence of friction. Apps launch instantly, complex maps render without a single stutter, and data transitions happen with the speed of thought. This processor doesn't just run the watch. It hosts a dedicated, ultra-dense neural engine capable of handling complex artificial intelligence processing directly on the device itself. This means your personal data, biometric trends, and contextual commands don't need to make a round-trip journey to a cloud server to be processed, ensuring total privacy and instantaneous response times. The watch learns your daily rhythms, anticipates the applications you need before you even reach for them, and manages background tasks with an unprecedented level of efficiency. The internal graphics processor has also received a massive boost, allowing for fluid, three-dimensional rendering of terrain maps and real-time visualization of complex workout metrics. It is an overwhelming display of computing power shrunk down to fit into a space no larger than a postage stamp, turning the watch into an independent computing powerhouse that no longer relies on your iPhone to do the heavy lifting. This massive leap in processing power is matched by an equally revolutionary evolution in structural engineering and material science. While titanium has been the gold standard for rugged watches for years, Apple has formulated a proprietary, high-density, aerospace-grade titanium matrix infused with ceramic microparticles. This specialized alloy provides double the scratch resistance of standard grade 5 titanium, while actually reducing the overall weight by a noticeable percentage. The case architecture has undergone a subtle yet profound redesign, featuring a more integrated, sculpted guard for the digital crown and the customizable action button. The crown itself has a more pronounced, aggressive knurling pattern, making it incredibly easy to operate even when wearing thick, insulated winter gloves or when your hands are soaked in mud and rainwater. The action button has been upgraded with a hybrid haptic mechanical switch that provides a deep, satisfying click, completely eliminating accidental presses while giving tactile confirmation in high-stress situations. The sapphire crystal protecting the micro-LED screen is now chemically bonded with an anti-reflective and oleophobic coating that repels fingerprints and water droplets instantly, ensuring that your view of the screen remains completely unobstructed regardless of the chaos unfolding around you. For the true outdoor enthusiast, the survivalist, and the elite athlete, the internal sensor suite of the Ultra 4 represents a life-altering upgrade that transforms the watch from a luxury accessory into a literal lifeline. Apple has integrated a dual-frequency, multi-constellation satellite communication array that goes far beyond basic emergency texting. This new system allows for two-way, off-grid satellite messaging and real-time route sharing directly with loved ones or rescue services, completely independent of cellular coverage anywhere on the globe. The GPS tracking has been upgraded with an advanced inertial guidance algorithm that fills in the gaps when walking through dense jungle canopies, deep slot canyons, or urban skyscrapers that traditionally block satellite signals. The Compass app now features real-time, three-dimensional spatial orientation, automatically creating a hyper-detailed breadcrumb trail and identifying points of interest based on the exact direction your wrist is pointing. A new integrated sonar sensor, built into the base of the chassis, provides diverse with real-time underwater topography, water temperature gradients, and hyper-accurate ascent rate calculations up to a depth of 60 meters. This is a device that doesn't just track your adventures, it actively protects you, continuously monitoring atmosphere pressure drops to warn you of incoming storms hours before they arrive on the horizon. The health and biological monitoring ecosystem has taken an equally historic leap forward, transitioning from a reactive tracking tool into a deeply predictive health advisor. The sensor array on the back of the watch features an entirely new geometric layout, utilizing multi-wavelength optical sensors and bioelectrical impedance analysis to monitor metrics never before accessible on a mainstream wearable. For the first time, the watch features continuous, non-invasive blood glucose trend monitoring, a holy grail of medical technology that provides users with a real-time understanding of how their diet, exercise, and stress levels affect their metabolic health. The hydration sensor analyzes the sweat composition on your skin, alerting you to electrolyte imbalances and calculating precisely how much water you need to consume to maintain peak cognitive and physical performance. The electrocardiogram and blood oxygen sensors have been refined to clinical-grade accuracy, working silently in the background to detect early markers of cardiovascular strain, sleep apnea, and autonomic nervous system fatigue. By analyzing the subtle variability in your heart rate alongside your skin temperature and respiration patterns during sleep, the Ultra 4 generates a comprehensive daily readiness score that tells you exactly how hard you can push your body or if it is time to prioritize deep recovery.